Hi, welcome back. Today is the last day of the Technical SEO Bootcamp by OneUpWeb. Thank you so much for sticking with us. It's me again, Stephanie Miller. I am kicking off our discussion of creating a secure website. So it's a short session this time, and we're just going to get right into it. There are about 1,000 factors that go into website security. Many of them are going to be managed by your hosting provider, by your IT team, and by other services. So today we're just focusing on a few factors that actually affect SEO performance and that you can check and update on your own. So we're going to start with talking about why all of this actually matters. It's not just data leaks and cyber attacks that you need to worry about. More and more users are also expecting a private and a secure browsing experience. So if you prioritize website security, you will be providing a better user experience, and you will likely see better SEO performance as a result. That all translates to brand trust. Okay, now to get into the actual tactics of ensuring a secure website. First, we're going to talk a little bit about SSL and TLS certificates. So this certificate provides an encrypted connection between the web client and the web server, and you need this to make your URLs HTTPS URLs versus HTTP. You need to make sure that you find a reliable certification authority for these certificates and choose the right type of certificate for your business. There are 3 kinds, all listed here. You also will want to make sure that you stay ahead of expiration dates for your SSL TLS certificate. One really great way of doing this is to just set up auto renewals so you don't have to worry about when they expire. Now getting into implementing HTTPS, there's more to it than just getting that certificate. You also need to make sure that there are HTTPS versions of all your existing pages on your website, and then implement an HSTS policy, which ensures that the secure versions of your pages are always the versions that are accessed by users and by user agents. Now, digging into our last tip for HTTPS, it is avoiding mixed content on your website. Content is mixed if it contains non-secure elements, such as links or old CSS or JavaScript. You can use an SEO spider tool or a site auditor tool to find mixed content on your website. You also want to check your XML sitemap for HTTP URLs and update them to the secure versions. After you've identified any mixed content on your website, all you need to do is just apply a few updates and probably some 301 redirects to get everything fixed. Okay, let's wrap up with a few tips for ensuring safe browsing. When Google rolled out their page experience algorithm update in 2021, they emphasized that safe browsing was a ranking factor, so this is definitely quite important for technical SEO. We're just outlining 3 ways that you can check for and ensure safe browsing. The first is the Security Issues Report in Google Search Console. This report is fairly new and very handy, so definitely recommend that one. The next tip is making sure that you're using high-quality secure hosting in a CDN or a content delivery network. Finally, you might want to consider using security alert software. A very good example of that is WordFence, which is a plugin for WordPress. All right, guys, we did it. That is the end of the Technical SEO Bootcamp by OneUpWeb. I am so glad you joined us. Thank you so much. I hope that you'll reference these videos later, along with a lot of other great content in the Learn with OneUpWeb portal. Thanks.